I'm Wendy from Best Corporate Events, and thank you for your interest in our Developing Emerging Leader program. Bench strength is so important, especially in today's market. So if you haven't already, you may want to seriously consider taking an active approach in identifying your next generation leaders and determining ways that you can prepare them. There's a lot of formats out there. Many are half-day and full-day programs on leadership, and they work just fine. But what I love about the programs we designed is we start with a self-assessment and we dig into one topic at a time. We meet every other week, and each session builds on the previous one. This allows the participants an opportunity to focus, absorb, and practice their new skills, and come back to the next section with questions. We cover topics such as leadership versus management, communicating simply and powerfully, resolving unproductive conflict, managing up, down, and across, and managing and developing others. For example, in Session 1, Leadership versus Management, we take a deep dive into the differences between the two. Often these words are used interchangeably, which is fine, but understanding the subtle nuances really helps shape what type of leader the participant wants to become. Leading and managing are not mutually exclusive. In fact, most of the effective leaders out there sometimes understand that they need to lead, and sometimes they need to manage. But it all starts with a behavioral assessment using the Predictive Index software. This helps us correlate a participant's natural strengths to the most important skills and attributes of an effective leader. So reach out to us today so we can help you build your next generation leaders.